guys, it's your girl D with the Harmony. I'm back with another video. It has been a long, and I mean long, like a long time. I mean, you know, I kind of took a break because I felt like y'all really wasn't messing with my content like that. You know what I'm saying? Like, got a little bit discouraging, just a little bit. But hey, I'm here. I'm back on your screen. Whether you want to see me or not, I'm going to be here. I just got in from work, but when I got here, I got my package from Luvme Hair. So I ordered this wig. I'm going to put the details in the description. I cannot even remember the type of wig. I just know that this is something that I had saw, like, I think it was like a little bit after Black Friday or something like that. They were having some type of sale. And I was like, oh, you know what, Luvme Hair. I actually like their hair. I think I got like 2 or 3 wigs from them so far, and I like it. So I was just like, all right, we're gonna go for it. We're gonna see what it's giving. So like I said, I'm gonna drop the details, but for now we're gonna go ahead and open this package together. Here we go. Y'all ready? And of course, see, we're not going to put it on just the way we're going to put it on. We're going to do a whole bunch of something or the other else to this here. I already had an idea in my head. I think I want to do like the skunk part type of style. The little skunk strip. But instead of like the standard, you know, silver fox, white, platinum, gray, whatever color you want to call it, I'm going to do something else. Y'all going to see it just in a second though. Okay, of course, you know, you have the enjoy your hair from now on. Oh, hey now, I got a $10 gift card. It says valid for 3 months. Boom. And then, of course, you got your wig. Wig cap for certain. I got the little handy dandy pack. I love the fact that they give all of this stuff away with their hair. Like, I mean, that's incredible. You got your edge brush. And once again, I think I said this about them before in another video, that everything is always so on brand for them. It actually kind of matches my scrub top though. It's blue, but typically everything for them is purple, but still, you know what I'm saying. Got some tweezers. Okay, we got the tweezers. Gotta pluck them edges, get that hairline together. Okay, boom. We got the bobby pins as per usual. We got the nice little elastic band as per usual. This one feels so much more comfortable than the other ones I had. I could tell, like just the fabric in my hand, I can feel it. Oh, and then we got the Luvme hair clip. Honestly, I feel like they done stepped it up with the hair clips because this looks different from the other hair clips that I got before. This is, I mean, y'all probably can't tell, but it definitely looks different. Ooh. And then, of course, you know, you got your edgy Luvme hair affordable luxury wigs. Little edge wrap. And then we have our wig. So I was just so excited to open it up. Out the box, this is what it's giving. It already came with some curls going on. It's got some curls for the girls. Honestly, this hairline look like it's been plucked already. That's a good thing. But of course, you know, you always got to go in and still just, you know, do you. But okay, so now I think I kind of remember. This has a middle part in it. You see how they, ooh, look at how this looking through there. Come on. If I'm remembering correctly, I think this is HD lace. So low key, a sister might not even have to bleach her knots, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Yeah, cause like what? And yes, I wash my hands as soon as I come in my house. So look at that. Do y'all see that? Yeah, I might just be lazy. Time to get into this skunk stripe. So midway through, I kind of was just like, oh, I want a little bit more color. And I just went ahead and I skipped the skunk part altogether. And I started adding color at the back as well. It is changing before your very eyes. Get into it, yeah. Okay, no, seriously. So we're going to sit this here for just a few more seconds, few more minutes. You know what I'm saying? 5 more minutes. So it can finish lifting. It is damn near lifted at the top. I mean, to the level that I feel like it needs to get to. But I gotta wait on this back part right here that I did last. Probably should have did the back first, but hey, that's okay. So we just gotta wait on this bottom back part right here just for a few more minutes, and then we should be all good in the hood. Yeah, and then we moving on to the next steps. Get into it, yeah. The clip of me coloring the hair got deleted from my camera, but it actually worked out for the best because I got to play a little game with you guys and provide a little mystery so you guys can try to figure out what color it is that I'm actually doing. If you think you know, go ahead right now, pause the video, drop it in the comments, and then at the end you can see if you were right. That's my shit. All the girls happening like this. Few times I've been around that track, so it's like just go ahead and like, cause I ain't no holler back girl. I ain't no holler back girl.
Nothing but little light flex. I'm just out here stunting on my ex. I thought I heard a lame nigga say I wasn't gon' blow up. Now he double tapping my picture, seeing my glow up. Nothing but little light flex. I'm just out here stunting on my ex. I'm just being honest, I'm just telling truth.
In this moment, I remembered I indeed had tracks.